Hello, my name's Kate Findlay. Today I want to show you some kits I've made and I'm hoping that you'd enjoy making them too. I've got 3 that you could make. So here I've got the long-tailed tits in blossom, very, very pretty. I've got a nice Christmas one with a robin. And thirdly, I've got the blackbird, which is the one I'm going to be demonstrating for you today. And then I begin to think about my arrangement of pieces, and you might want to then just move things a bit more, have leaves over the top. You might want more lighter leaves underneath if you feel it's going to show up more. You could always just hand embroider some shapes instead, so it doesn't have to be done on the machine at all.